Hello, tour of the new shop. So here we go. We started with some garbage cans that I have no idea what they're doing here. Box of mech stuff, including boxing gloves and old steering wheels. The first backpack frame for Judd McStud. Some miscellaneous computer widgets and a bunch of other miscellaneous stuff like skulls and drawers, and probably going to be putting some more like technical books in here and some car fluids up there. Some more bits and bobs like linear actuators and 3D printing there, and some remote control cars. Under here we've got PVCs and some parts for the shopsmith, which I'll get to in a moment. In toolbox with a bunch of screwdrivers and sockets and things. All my tools up on the wall. Got the chainsaw and grabbers, sanders, cutters, bolts and nuts and things over here, and little Rob, who you saw running around during the wintertime. Wonderful rustic clock, scroll saw, derpy little drill press, some safety equipment, some technical books up there, a rack of stock, drawing board, hulking dynamo, some paper for the drawing board, my cabinet full of paint and other various fluids, and some tool stuff, bunch of scrap materials including the stock, some wood and cardboard and stuff, and a giant robot Trump face, and my parents' snowblower, old printer, some scooters I'm going to be implementing and hope maybe even integrating into the hulking dynamo. So, you know, it'll be power armor on wheels as well as walking feet. Some casters for Talos right there. And this is a Shopsmith, which is a wonderful little device, which is a bunch of tools in one. With all the supplies I have under there, I can flip it up into a drill press. It can be a table saw, a disc sander, a router, and even a bandsaw. So multiple tools in one. I inherited it indirectly from my grandfather. My grandfather was getting rid of it before he passed away, and ended up giving it to my dad, who eventually said he didn't have room for it, so I got it, and now it's back at my dad's place. So rather interesting bit of trivia. Garbage can, some arms for the hulking dynamo. These are actually part of the Judd McStud's old legs. Armor stand for the safety equipment that I'm going to be wearing when operating the mechs. Some miscellaneous conduit that I've had kicking around. A bicycle, a generator, and my brother's motorcycle, because he's staying at my parents too because of COVID, but you know, he's going back to Washington in about a week or so. So he's going on a motorcycle trip. And that is it. I've actually got a bit more room than in my last place, because it was, you know, landlady slash granny has storing her stuff in the garage too. But now I've got just about an entire side of a garage to myself, so I'm going to have lots of positive productivity, you know, that sort of fun stuff. So real exciting. If you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe, and if you know people who like giant robot stuff too, hey, why not share a giant robot video from this channel? Maybe they'll enjoy it. So until next time, keep your workshop organized. Bye bye.